Nowadays, most of the people face severe body problems, be it related with poor digestive system, poor cardiovascular health, or poor immune system. Why not? People have indulged themselves in immense of unhealthy habits and have started living their life carelessly. Hello everyone, this is Saurabh from PharmAcharya. If you are also wandering here and there in search of healthy habits to be performed to live your life healthy and hassle free, then you are at right place. Keep watching this video till end because in this video I am going to discuss those healthy morning habits that one should perform to live healthy and hassle free life based on Ayurveda. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. After a long hour of sleep, our body wakes up to start a new day. Ayurveda says to live a healthy and cheerful day, our daily routine, that is Dincharya, should be as healthy. In Ayurveda, daily routine is known as Dincharya. The word Dincharya has been derived from two words, Din and Acharya. Word Din means daily and Acharya means activity. Hence the word Dincharya means the daily activity performed by any being. Dincharya is the daily routine that promotes self-care through different activities. Ayurvedic Dincharya consists of two daily cycles specifically known as sun cycle and the moon cycle. Sun cycle starts from 6 am in the morning and it lasts till the 6 pm in the evening, whereas moon cycle starts from 6 pm in the evening and it lasts till 6 am in the morning. During these two cycles, that is sun cycle and moon cycle, the three doshas, that is vata, pitta and kapha, predominates during the particular period, and each period lasts for 4 hours. In sun cycle, from 6 am to 10 am, kapha dosha is dominating. From 10 am to 2 pm, pitta dosha is dominating, and from 2 pm to 6 pm, vata dosha is dominating. Similarly, in moon cycle, 6 pm to 10 pm, kapha dosha is dominating, 10 pm to 2 pm, pitta dosha is dominating, and from 2 pm to 6 am, vata dosha is dominating. One should follow body activity and habits to keep all these three dosha in balanced state, because Ayurveda says that healthy body results from the balanced state of all the three dosas. If any of the three doshas, that is vata, pitta and kapha, gets imbalanced, then this results in the unhealthy or diseased condition in an individual. Now let's discuss about the healthy Dincharya that is suggested by Ayurveda to keep our body in a healthy state and keep the three doshas balanced. The first and foremost habit is waking up early in the morning, rise and shine. According to Ayurveda, waking up early in the morning before sun rises is one of the most important and crucial activity to be performed. The time between 4:30 to 5 am is considered as an ideal time to wake up in the morning before the sun rises. During this period of time, vata dosha is predominant in our body, and vata dosha is responsible for all the bodily movement and nervous sensation. That is, during this period of time, our nervous system is most active. Also, the positive energy and vibes present during this time and environment lets us wake up early in the morning. Before getting out of the bed, you should start your day with a morning prayer which will induce a positive energy into your mind and soul. The next habit recommended by Ayurveda is cleaning of your senses. To enhance all your senses in the morning, your sense organs should be cleaned thoroughly. Wash your eye, ear with cold water, brush your teeth, clean your tongue, to enhance the taste buds and to stimulate the process of digestion. The third activity suggested by Ayurveda is to drink lukewarm water. Most of the people starts their day with the caffeine loaded drinks. Caffeines and tannins when consumed in the morning increases the acidity in the stomach. One should start their day with a glass of lukewarm water because this increases the peristalsis movement of esophagus, which flushes off all the harmful substances out of the body. Also, it enhances the purification and detoxification of kidney. The next morning habit suggested by Ayurveda is process of evacuation. After having a glass of water, one should went for evacuation because it is one of the important step which helps to cleanse the body away from the dark materials present inside. If it does not occur regularly or is delayed, it slows down the process of digestion, which results in the congestion or constipation in the individual, and which is the major reason for arisal of various associated diseases. Oil massaging. Massaging your body with essential oil daily keeps your body moisturized and prevents the tissues from getting dry. It also enhances the blood circulation throughout the skin. Exercise. Exercise can be done in any form, be it in the form of yoga or asana or jogging. Exercise provides strength to your body and the muscles. It also removes the deposited or stagnant fat from your body and provides strength to the muscles. Bath. One should follow bath after having exercise. Water is considered as the purest thing in this universe. Washing your body with water washes away all the negative energy that knowingly or unknowingly you came in contact with. It also removes excess of dirt and fat molecules which deposited on the skin, which gives individual the sense of lightness and freshness and keeps whole day hassle free and healthy. Meditation. One should at least meditate for 15 minutes in a day. Meditation will help you concentrate on your life goal by maintaining a balance between your body, mind and soul. Following all these healthy habits have immense benefits, which includes connection of oneself with the nature, prevention of diseases by building the immunity, enhanced digestion and absorption as well as metabolism, enables you to live a healthy and well-disciplined life with peace and happiness, imparts longevity by ensuring a healthy lifestyle. That's all in this video. Comment your opinion in the comment box below. Do hit the like button if you love this video. You can contribute my work by subscribing this channel. Hello everyone, this is Saurabh from PharmAcharya and thank you so much for watching.